Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to learn about the classes in the JavaScript. So what exactly are the classes? So they are a template for creating the objects in the JavaScript and they are the blueprint of the objects. And before ES6 there were no classes in the JavaScript and we use the functions to declare the objects. And inside the class now we can use the constructor function in the ES6 JavaScript. And there are no any classes in the JavaScript yet, but in the ES6 they are the special type of functions in the JavaScript. But why do we need the classes in the JavaScript? Because we can store members and variables and functions of same category in a class, and we can achieve object oriented approach through the classes in the JavaScript. So now we will see a demo that how we can demonstrate the classes in the ES6. So now we are in Visual Studio Code, and here if I want to declare a class through the ES5 syntax, then it would be the function and then the car and then the make and the model in the constructors. And now to declare the properties we need to use the this.make equals to make and this.model equals to model. And to get these we have to use a function like this dot get details equals to the anonymous function and then return now the this dot make plus this dot model and this dot make plus this dot model. And if I want to get this function in the class, we have to first instantiate it. So then it needed to be let c equals to new car, and then just provide some constructor functions there like the make equals to the Honda and the model equals to the city. So if I will now use this, and if I will now just console.log like c.getDetails, then you will see the details here in the console window. So if I will now run this approach, so then I will go to the terminal tab and I will select a new terminal. So if I will now run this, then the node index.js, so then you will see there will be the Honda city in the console window. So the get details function will run. So this was the approach of the ES5, but if I want to declare it in the ES6, then it will be ES6. And then we need to declare a class from the class keyword, then the class and the name of the class, and then we need to declare some constructor function. And to declare a constructor function we have to declare from the constructor keyword like constructor, and then inside this we need to make some properties like the make or model so that we can use these properties to get from the user while instantiating the class. So then if I will create some properties here like this dot make equals to the Honda, or like make and this dot model equals to the model. So if I will now save, and if I will now go here after the constructor function, and now to declare the functions inside the class we need to use the function directly, the function like get details and then parenthesis and then the code inside it, and then we can return the return statement about this, and in the backticks then it would be like the Honda, like the make, this dot make, and now then this dot model. So this is the approach of the ES6. So if I will now run this through the ES6, and if I will now comment this out from the ES5, so then you will see. So after this we need to instantiate the class, so then it would be let class name or c equals to the new class or the new car, and then provide the details here. Then it would be the make equals to the Honda and the model will equals to the Civic, like the Civic. So if I will now run this, and if I will now just console.log that c.getDetails, then it will be same in the console window. So if I will now go to the terminal tab, so then if I will now run the index.js after this, then you will see the Honda Civic in the console window. So these are about the ES6 classes in the JavaScript and how we can achieve that and how they are different from the ES5. These are about the ES6 classes in the JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel if you are new.